Yeah, good evening, everybody. Wanted to do a quick silver update. As you can see, we got again today. Got the Euro Silver Cross. Had a big rally this morning with the announcement of the unemployment numbers, job numbers, and then you can see a sell-off after that. The euro down here never really even finished lower. The silver at least finished higher, but they still seem to be tracking each other. Wanted to pull up the silver chart by itself. Let's go out to the 4-hour, which is the view that we've been using, and put on the MACD. And then we want to draw our freehand trend lines. And still got the broken support on this trend line. 28 was what we were saying was support. Still looks like it. But as you can see here, the MACD is still rolling over to the upside. Looks like it was a little bit of a fake out there, so it could go lower. I want to draw a flat trend line from the bottom of this last dip in the MACD. And if we get to match, it'll be completely flat. As you can see, we pretty much touched upon nearly the exact same level on those. Now, if this holds as to past tradition, such as this one or this one, some of the others, we should see a strong rise once this rounds off to the bottom. The thing we're looking for, if you see here in the red, normally it's when you start to go to the positive side of the red that you really get the uptrend. See the cross right there, and that's when your lines cross. So you can look at the crossing of the lines, or you can look at the red. You can see on the red here, we're about to go positive on the red. Doesn't mean it can't turn around and go down, because it has, but just as a general rule. Wanted to pull it out to the 8-hour, and want to draw a line here from the low that we have reached on the 8-hour, and as you can see, it's about right there. So let's draw a flat line, and well, we actually have to do it from this side to meet it, so we'll get even with it, and then let's just be a rough approximation. So there's a rough approximation about where we're touching right now. As you can see, the last time that we were below that on the MACD was all the way back in February. So we're already, believe it or not, because it's only seemed like, what is it, a couple days? 2, 3, 4, 5 days? In those days, we've already sold off more than every other point except for February. And if we keep going down at this point, possibly even to just touch the 28, if it's done in the right way, we may be looking at the biggest sell-off for 2 years as far as the MACD is. Well, no, because you can see here that as far as the daily, we have a long way to go. So just going by the 8-hour, we're more oversold than we've ever been since last February. So again, we're looking for buy signal around 28. Not saying there won't be one lower, but if you do see 28 come in there and we don't penetrate it rapidly to the downside, maybe a good time to pick up some more silver. Talk to you next time.